The second runners-up of Miss KYF 2026 will walk away with a check of rupees 20,000. And to give away the sash, may I invite Nora Mem to kindly present of Solidness in Executive Member Cabinet Council. I would like to request Samir Jainko, a judge of this committee, to kindly
Contestant number 2!
contestant number. All right, people. The winner